Hoover Dam, written by Curtis Thomas. Focus question: why is Hoover Dam an important place in the United States? A mighty dam. When Hoover Dam was built in the 1930s, it was the tallest dam in the world. The dam is as tall as a 60-story building. Hoover Dam is on the Colorado River. The dam controls the flow of the river water. The dam power plants use the water to make electricity. Dry desert. Hoover Dam is on the border between Arizona and Nevada. It is about 30 miles, 48 kilometers from the city of Las Vegas. Hoover Dam is in a very dry desert. The dam is in a deep, narrow valley between mountains. Strong dam, huge lake. The Colorado River flows downhill to Hoover Dam. The dam stops the water from flowing quickly. Water collects above the dam to form Lake Mead. It is the biggest lake in the United States made by people. Water has a lot of force when it flows downhill. Hoover Dam is very heavy, so it can stay strong when the water hits it. The dam is curved to move the water to the two sides of the canyon. A power plant near the dam transfers the force of the moving water into electricity. Solving a problem. People have been growing crops along the Colorado River for many years. The river used a flood in spring and washed away the crops. People built dams on the river to stop the flooding. Hoover Dam was the first of those dams. Building the dam. The project began in 1931. Workers had to make the river go around. Where Hoover Dam would be built, they dug 4 tunnels, and they also built hitch walls above and below where the dam would be. After they finished, the water flowed into the tunnels and out lower down. Then the worker moved rock and mud away to make room for the dam. Workers used hand molds to build the dam. They dumped each bucket for concrete into each mold. Cold water ran through small pipes, so each block of substrate would cool. Quickly after each block was cooled, workers built another block on top of it. Later, they sealed the stack of blocks with growth. If the river ever flowed, the water would ruin the power plants. Workers built 2 places for the water to go if it got very high. Those places are called spillways. Finally, workers built the power plants and 4 towers. The towers control how much water goes to the power plants at a time. All the work was finished in 1936. The project took about 5 years. Building Hoover Dam was hard, unsafe work. Many workers lost their life during the project. Seeing the dam. Millions of people see Hoover Dam. Every year, the visitor center has display about the area and how the dam was built. People can go inside the dam and power plant. As like meat, they can go fishing and boating. Take a camera if you go there. A lot to see. Hoover Dam today. Hoover Dam changed many people's lives. The river water helped crops grow in dry areas of the United States. The power plants make electricity for over 1 million people. Other dams have been built on the Colorado River since the 1930s, but Hoover Dam was the first and it's still the biggest.